I'm Matthew Freeman, and we're going to work on cengage and mind tap on chapter 11, verse 3 on recording dividends. And so we're going to start off with recording. And so here we're giving the scenario. On December 15th, the board of directors declared a dividend of $2 per share. The capital stock issued at $6,000. Random number is 112. Okay, and so we know the total stock is $6,000, $2 per share. So we got to figure out how much that we're going to pay out. So we got to go 6,000 times $2 a share, and we're going to pay out $12,000. So we're going to come over here, down at the bottom, and we're going to put in December 15th, we're going to put dividend. And we got to put the memo number M112. And we're going to debit the 12,000. So I was reading the instructions. Key thing: make sure you read the instructions. And so I was just checking them real quick, make sure there's none of the special things that we needed to know. We're going to write dividends on the second line. Dividends payable. And we're going to put it for 12,000, right? Because we are going to owe $12,000 in dividends. Okay? We're going to owe that. So now we're going to do the example for January 15th. We're going to pay cash for those dividends. Okay, the dividends now we're going to pay them out a month later after we declared them. And so we're going to pay them out on January 15th. Okay, and we're going to put them in we're going to put down account title. I don't know why I write the account title, but we're going to put dividends payable. Right, because we had credited dividends account because that's a liability that we're going to owe, we're going to pay, and we now going to pay it. So we're going to have to say that we're making that payment and show that account's now going to zero out that 12,000 because we're going to pay it, right? And so that check number is C556, and here it says no C is needed for check number, so we're just going to delete the C and put 556. Okay, and then we're going to go and debit the 12,000, and now we're going to move over to our cash credit, and we're going to cash credit that 12,000 because guess what? We're going to have to decrease the amount of cash that we have because the cash is now going to decrease because we're spending that cash. We're sending our cash out, so our cash account's going to go down. Our dividends payable account is going to decrease, so they're both decreasing because we're paying out those, okay? And so that's the key thing to understand here. So if you have any questions, anything, please ask. Okay, we're going to do it on the own now. So same thing, we're going to come over here. We're going to put December 15th. We're going to put our dividends, right? We're going to put the account number or not the memo number, M96. We're gonna debit the $3 per share times 7,000 shares, which is 21,000. Okay. And now we're gonna credit the accounts, the dividends payable for the 21,000. Okay, so now we have balance accounts. We're getting that money paid out to our shareholders January 15th. And we're going to put dividends payable. And our check number is going to be C36. Remember, no C for check numbers. What's the instruction say? We're going to debit the 21,000. And now we're going to credit the 21,000 because the debit is going to offset the credit that we did initially in the general journal and the cash we're paying out. So we're crediting that because we're losing cash. All right. That's all we're going to do today. That's it for working papers. If you have any question or anything, please send a message, comment below. You guys have a great day.